Bonnie, happy Friday. I'm going to keep saying happy Friday. I know the world is in chaos, but I'm still going to say happy Friday. If it's Friday. Is it Friday? I hope everyone is having a good day despite what is going on in the world. Got to find the goodness in like every little moment here. So, I have got Target Beauty Box today. I love the Target Beauty Box. These are $7. I just started ordering these again. You never know what you're going to get in here. This one is pretty full. The first item I'm saying is a really large bottle of, what is this? This is the Love Home and Planet, concentrated laundry detergent. Check that out. I may actually need this. So we got a laundry detergent in there, and then we got a coupon for Save $2. That's pretty cool. I also got a Palmer's Coconut Oil Body Lotion. My mother actually likes the Palmer's. This is nice. It smells good. It's nice and coconut-y. Get a lot of stuff in this one, you guys. This is called Clean Up Your Beauty Routine. We also got a $3 coupon from Target. We got the Burt's Bees Purely White Fluoride Toothpaste. I was actually thinking about that. I'm like, do I have enough toothpaste? You know, the things you don't think about buying. So I'm actually kind of happy I got a Burt's Bees toothpaste. I will use this. Next up, I'm also burning, by the way, my Goose Creek chocolate candle. So I'll have that later, too. I've got the Lumini Nordic Sea Cleansing Balm. Kind of cool there. Nice big sample. You get a lot in these Target boxes. We got some premium cotton rounds here. I got a Mayors Clean Day hand soap sample. Cute little sample there. A lot of little samples in this one. We have is it the Lumini? I don't even know what this is. This is the Vitamin C, Nordic Sea Oil Cocktail. And then I got shower sheets. Check those out from, I think this is Uni. And then I also got like the absolute cutest little deodorant I have ever seen in my life. Check this out. This is the Native Charcoal cute little deodorant there. So I got 5 products. And then I got 4 samples. 4 samples. So, like I said, I really like the Target boxes. The box is nice. They come in a really nice box. They can be reusable. They are $7 on Target.com, and the shipping is free, which is nice. And then you get a $3 off coupon, $3 off a $15 or more beauty purchase. So that is always good for Target. I love these boxes. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.